If you're new to playing your ukulele and you want to just get started with something very, very simple and no chords, just a quick little attention getter, it sounds so beautiful if you just go through the strings from top to bottom. So if you're totally new to the instrument, you've introduced it to the class, that one simple technique could be a way that you set up to teach the kids to come to the carpet. So maybe it's when everyone's putting their things away, you notice kids are starting to come to the carpet. You just have a couple stragglers that are finishing up, and you can actually practice this routine with them so that when they hear this, that's your attention getter without having to raise your voice at all. You're going to have to teach them the appropriate response to that. Is our voices are off? Attention on the teacher. Maybe it's going to the carpet with whole body listening. Maybe it's going to your chairs at the table with whole body listening. So you teach that, practice it a couple times, and you can quickly incorporate the ukulele into transitions and attention getters in your classroom.